The BMW 2002 is not just a car. It is an icon that changed the way the world saw BMW, and as our journey begins in this modern Japanese showroom, the candy red paint of this 2002 Tii instantly captures your eyes with a deep, glossy reflection that dances under the softbox lighting, the right proportions, the crisp body lines, and the unmistakable front facet telling you this is a machine built for drivers. As we take in the front three-quarter view, you can appreciate the simplicity of design. Round headlights framed by a delicate chrome grille, a clean bumper with just the right amount of shine, and those factory steel rims that hint at the car's original era without unnecessary modification, all resting on the marble white floor that mirrors its profile. Walking to the rear three-quarter, the character continues, with round taillights perfectly balanced against the squared trunk, the chrome trim wrapping around in a continuous line, and the stance, slightly forward-leaning, giving it that eager-to-drive personality. From the side profile, we see just how perfect the proportions are. The long hood, the compact cabin, and the short rear deck, a true expression of the three-box design, and the black leather interior with subtle red stitching peeking through the windows adds a touch of modern elegance to this classic silhouette. From a bird's-eye view, the geometry becomes even more striking. Every panel aligned, the roofline flowing gently to the rear, the paint's metallic flake catching light in a way that makes the red come alive. Stepping back for a wide showroom shot, you sense the presence of the car in its environment. While other vehicles may sit passively, the 2002 stands proud, as though it knows its own history and achievements. Moving closer to the front grille and BMW roundel, the craftsmanship is clear. The fine chrome surrounds, the perfectly centered badge, the precision of the slats, all preserved in stunning detail. Zooming further to the round headlight, you notice the glass texture, the slight convex shape, and the way the chrome bezel frames it like jewelry. Down by the wheel and rim, the period-correct steel with its center cap shows no sign of aging, the tire's sidewall lettering crisp and the tread pattern clearly visible, a reminder that even the most functional parts of this car can have character. Beneath the car, the underbody tells a story of engineering honesty. You can see the suspension components, the exhaust routing, and the solid structure that made the 2002 so reliable for spirited drives. Opening the hood reveals the heart of the machine, a fuel-injected 2.0-liter four-cylinder that, in the Tii version, produced an impressive 130 horsepower for its era, cleanly presented with original components, neatly routed wiring, and polished metal surfaces reflecting the showroom light. Stepping inside from the driver's side, the black leather seats with red stitching provide a comfortable yet supportive embrace, the cabin compact yet airy thanks to the thin pillars and large glass area, the craftsmanship evident in every seam and stitch. Focusing on the dashboard, the instrument cluster with its large, clear dials communicates only what matters: speed, revs, and vital engine information, surrounded by simple but tasteful trim. The steering wheel, thin-rimmed yet perfectly sized, sits proudly with the BMW badge at the center, the metal spokes catching the light, a tactile reminder that driving is an analog experience. Down in the center console, the gear shifter sits within easy reach, the pattern etched clearly, alongside the handbrake and small storage details that remind us this was a driver's car built for daily enjoyment. From the driver's point of view, the road ahead is framed by the hood's subtle creases, with every control exactly where your hands and eyes expect them to be, and the sense of anticipation building as you imagine the engine's response. The passenger side continues the story with equally fine detailing: door panels with chrome handles, manual window cranks, and the same red stitching that ties the cabin together. In the trunk, practicality meets elegance, the carpeting clean, the spare tire well neatly integrated, and even the hinges finished to a high standard. As the lights dim for a low-light showroom shot, the candy red bodywork takes on a richer tone, the reflections becoming more dramatic, the car almost glowing under the subtle rim lighting, giving it a cinematic presence. In a close-up of the chrome trim and side mirror, we see the perfection in finishing, the way the chrome line runs unbroken along the side, the mirror's reflective surface clear and flawless. Finally, the hero shot brings everything together: low angle, slightly wide lens, the 2002 filling the frame with confidence, its story told not just through words but through every curve, reflection, and detail, a reminder that some cars are not just modes of transport, they are pieces of history, and in the case of the BMW 2002, a timeless bridge between the driving passion of the past and the appreciation of enthusiasts today.